Here I have MagSafe battery pack for the newest iPhone 12 to charge your iPhone. Sadly, you can't charge your iPhone to 100% with this power bank. Mostly it will go maximum to 90%. And here I have different power bank that will also work with MagSafe and the newest iPhones. Not only that, it will also work with the oldest iPhones like 11, 10 or whichever iPhone you have with wireless charging, because there are also magnets. So let's start this video with intro and let's unbox that thing. So let's start that unboxing from this side. I'm not gonna tell you which power bank is it because you see already in the title I really don't remember the name. And here it is. It will actually charge your iPhone to 100%, which is better than this power bank. It's working with magnets like you can see right here, and it has 11 watt hours. Comparing to iPhone 12 battery, there is about 10 watt hours, so it's a little bit more here, but we're losing so much power from wireless charging that actually it's not gonna charge iPhone to the fullest. Here probably it's like 20 watt hours, I'm not really sure, but we'll see in a second because it's not written on the box. Alright, that was nice presentation with actually cute message. Mophie loves you. In this compartment we can see USB-C to C charger, which is really nice. Here are actually magnets that I can put on a case or let's say iPhone. You can use this guideline to install those magnets properly, and there's 3M tape. Now let's compare Mophie charger to the Apple charger. 5000 mAh, and here is probably like 2900 inside of this because there are two cells that are 1400. So here's the plastic that is actually pretty smooth, and here's like rubbery texture, and here's the inside. You can see those magnets are looking pretty gorgeous. 7 and 5 watts, and this power bank can charge only 5 watts when on the go. Sadly, this power bank can't really charge your phone when you're using your phone because it's only charging 5 watts when on the go, and you really will use this power bank only on the go, so it really doesn't matter if it's charging 15 watts, 20 watts or whichever wattage. No, it doesn't matter when it's plugged to the wall. It's cool, fast wireless charging, but it needs to be plugged to the wall, so that's not really how you will use this power bank. So this is a slight advantage to Mophie power bank because it can charge actually 7 and 5 watts. It's a little bit more if it's important to you. Maybe I should say a little bit faster. So this is how it's looking from the front. This is top of the power bank. You can see this is plastic, it's not metal, and this is back. In Apple power bank we have LED that will flash orange when it's charging and green when it's full, and in Mophie power bank you can see USB Type-C here instead of lightning, LED lights and also button. Currently you can see two LED flashing, so it means it's probably like half battery inside. And this is Apple MagSafe battery pack. It's looking like this, a little bit more thicker than the Mophie, and also it's comparing like this to iPhone. And also there are magnets in this iPhone because it's really staying here. You can see it's really staying. So this is clear Apple case, and you can see it's connecting like this, and here's the inside, and you can see it's actually touching, almost touching, or actually it's going a little bit over the camera bump. But when you're using the iPhone 11, it's actually perfect right here when the camera is. Also, this is thickness, it's not really more thicker. If you're gonna use the case, it's gonna be almost the same size. And here's the back and also side. And this is side with Apple case. So you can see the difference. And now let's see how strong those magnets actually are. Okay, that wasn't really impressive. So this is how strong it is, and actually this is pretty strong. I need to say, I need to really do a little bit with force to disconnect it, and like really it's not moving, so it's pretty strong. With the Mophie one it's staying, but it's a little bit more wimble, if I can say like this, but it's still really strong too. It's going out, not like with the Apple one that is going when I'm using really strong movements. With the Mophie it's going like much easier, you can see like this. With the Apple one it's going, but I need to use a little bit more force. I just installed magnets on iPhone 11. I didn't do it perfectly, but I tried my best. And I will compare right now strength of those magnets comparing to MagSafe. One thing, magnets in MagSafe battery pack are weird and sound weird. You will hear it yourself right now. So you can hear moving magnets right there, which is impossible with this power bank. Fine, but now let's try to see how strong those magnets are comparing to the custom ones. So let's try here. It's connecting very hard, and now let's see. I'm trying my best right now and it's impossible for this power bank to fall off. Now let's move on to those magnets. Yeah. Oh, you can hear that they didn't want to connect those magnets inside the MagSafe charger, so that's why they didn't connect on the first place, because those magnets are moving inside. You can hear this. Yeah, that's pretty weird, but okay, let's try. This is just funny. Not really much force to do it. Alright, let's move on to the Mophie one. Alright, so it's looking like this. And impossible, almost impossible, alright. Well, okay, how hard I'm not trying? I can't do it, no. Okay, it's so hard to take off this power bank by force, alright. Let's try the Apple one. It's connecting so well. And this one is just... no, there's no way I can do it. Ugh, how hard I'm not trying. Well, yeah, so it's staying very good, but you can hear the sound of the magnets. I don't know why. Here's smart battery case for iPhone 11, and here battery will not move and you can't take this battery off because it's inside the case. But I think this is exactly the same power here and here. Actually, by mistake I realized I can charge the battery case with Apple MagSafe power bank, and it's working pretty good because like there are some magnets inside this. Okay, I want to check if I can actually charge also this power bank wirelessly, but I can't. But thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and now you know a little bit more about this power bank. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you need to know a little bit more. Thank you for watching. I hope this video wasn't so long, but yeah. Bye. See you in other videos.